Warning. So in today's video there will be flashing lights, scantily dressed men and women, and adult offensive language. If you are under the age of 18, I do not recommend you watch this video unless you do have a parent with you. Thank you and enjoy the video. What's up, guys? We're back. In the other day's video, we were here during the day. Now the night's coming down, and it's almost time for Howl-O-Scream. Got the media party going on right back there at the Lost Souls bar. We were supposed to be in there. We're supposed to be in there.
What do you mean? What do you mean we're supposed to be
I applied, and I thought I got it, but we didn't get it.
Oh, really?
But it's still okay. We're here. We're going to have a good time. We got tickets. So let's go party. Alright guys, check it out. We're sitting here waiting for Howl-O-Scream to start. The fog is going, it's almost time. But we ran into one of our newest fans, Brody here. Guys, he's gonna start his own channel. So keep an eye out for that pretty face, because one day he's gonna be making a bunch of money on YouTube, guys. Alright, so Halloween, wow, I almost called it Halloween Horror Nights. Woo! I swear guys, I'm not drunk. But yes, we're finally open. Howl-O-Scream has begun.
That was great. Did you see that? It's not right here in our face.
Yeah.
See, I don't need to
One thing I like about this year is they have all the booths are open, but they're actually themed differently. Like there's one down this way. It's got crickets on a Nashville hot chicken sandwich. All right, so here we go. This is Cargo Carnage.
I don't know, it's in the fog.
Yeah, we're heading into our first house. I be positive. You're not coming out. Great. Sorry. All right, here we go. I have a feeling you're going to say that a lot tonight. Yes. I am. Where is everything?
I'm okay.
Yes!
Oh, hello. That was nice.
What was that for? I need blood.
What was that for?
Oh my God.
I'm on a lot of things, actually. How can you do?
Oh, that's cute.
Come back.
it said they have a little bit of a fly problem here.
Oh, is it like...
Tell Scratch is not ready.
No.
I need more pictures. I mean, meat. I need more meat.
Oh, it's a freezer. Oh, I like how it keeps going in and outdoors. She's mad.
They have taken over everything.
I like how it goes indoor, outdoor. It's awesome. Well, that's not good. There's fire. Oh, there's our siren. That was pretty good.
Jay's gonna get you!
Oh my God!
Yeah! Jay's gonna get you!
Alright, so that house was great. The only thing I didn't like about it was that it's indoor outdoor. So a lot of it is visible during the daylight, as you'll be able to see in the video. We're gonna go through it again later. We don't know if we're gonna use this first video, the next video, maybe even put them both together. But yeah, we're gonna head on to the next house. Looks like some sirens have come out to play. This will be better at night. I have a feeling it uses a lot of black light.
What is that? I don't like that thing.
That is awesome, is what that is.
What's that thing? The knife? Oh my God.
So they have everyone dressed up in the ghillie suits. These guys are evil when it gets dark. Like that. Not even dark and you kind of got me.
I know, I thought you like...
But yeah, we're heading into Witchcraft Bayou now.
Once they get your rhythm, they'll be like scarier.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, once they get dark. Yeah, once they get darker, then they'll be like, oh, okay. Let's scare people more.
So now our next house, Dead Vines. We did this one last year. We thought it was really good. They're changing it up this year. It's Root of All Evil. It's gonna be a little different. All right, so here we go. We are heading into Dead Vines.
And the bush is gonna get me.
I wish I had more time to talk to you. Yeah,
Tell her about you're like listening to really get scared.
I wish I had more time. I really want you to go down right now.
Just keep rolling. She tells me not to go in the garden. I like gardens.
The vines took my dolly. Look how.
So now we're over here at Poison's Grotto, and if you look up, there's actually an aerialist. So we're getting the Hex. We're gonna get it in a souvenir cup. We'll show you that as soon as it comes up. Our next scare zone, Deadly Ambush.
Did they think we like left without him? Oh no!
I think he's having trouble seeing. His light just went out.
Be careful.
This is always supposed to be an internship.
One heck of an internship.
Oh, I hurt myself. I hurt.
By the way, I got the drink. It's hard to see, but this thing is delicious. You need to go to the bathroom?
No, I just went.
It's a lot darker in here this year. I think you got locked in.
Scary.
They got me, man. They freaking got me.
Nice. And Johnny! Wrong place.
I feel like I'm in a chainsaw massacre.
There are a lot less characters this year as there was last year.
You like it this year?
Yeah.
I don't know.
That's Do-Rag guy we saw earlier.
Oh my god. run.
He's mad.
He's like, oh, her ass. I mean, we'll run into him eventually.
Yeah.
Yeah, baby, yeah.
So I like how it's really dark. It's just not enough characters right here.
She's running.
So you can probably see it a little bit better, but the cup is a skull. Put a pretty good dent in it. Yeah, it says Howl-O-Scream right on the side. It's a very good drink. You guys come, try out the Hex, it's worth it. So my niece Aubrey is a huge fan of Mr. Beast. And there's Jake, they call him the Viking from the Mr. Beast channel. He actually has his own channel now. But yeah, he's here at Howl-O-Scream. All right, guys, it's time to go beneath the ice. Let's do this. Now, this was our favorite house last year. And this one has a guest-activated scare out in the Tormented Bar. So we're hoping it's good. Oh, I would love to.
I changed my mind!
Oh, no. All right, I'm leaving. Oh, shit. It is not good to drink before coming in this house. Oh, geez, I'm going to bed.
Don't do it.
Back to bed.
Okay, there's a wall there. We're going this way. I'm not drunk.
Oh my God.
I got you. Oh, hi. I believe this is a guest-activated scare right here. Yep, there it is. He called for mom and dad. He looked in the camera and goes, Mom, Dad. Oh, good one. Uh-oh.
When you went for you're not playing here. Just raise your hand.
They're all getting you. Here comes our siren. Not as good as last year, but still a good house. I feel like there's not enough scare actors in here. Last year there was a lot more scare actors in the house. But yeah, still a great house. Enjoyed every minute of it. Yeah, I did too.
Yeah, the banging's very loud.
Alright guys, we're gonna take a vacation. We're going on a cruise.
Yeah. I
But
don't think a very nice cruise.
yeah, I don't think it's a good cruise. I think it's a bad cruise.
I don't think we're coming off this one.
It's time to ride Siren of the Seas. Bon voyage! Alright, so here goes Sirens of the Seas.
You will not be for much longer. Welcome, welcome, everyone. We've been trying that. Anything you request, we do.
How you doing, Captain? I'm good. I'll pass.
Alright, does everybody know what's up?
Oh, that's good.
Extra protein, it's good for you.
Yum. That's a cockroach.
I don't like that.
Don't miss
She's coming! Don't be scared! Scratch is gonna find you! Scratch is gonna find all of you guys! Get out my scared! Stay for the show? Front and center!
Get out! Get out! I'm getting out. Very nice. All right, so now we just left the Sirens of the Seas house, and we're behind Bayside Stadium. They have water show going out there. All the water's blood red. That's pretty cool. Now they have fireballs out there from Electric Ocean. I'm surprised they're not using them. That would be amazing to have a random fireball going off every once in a while. But we're heading into Frozen Terror now, and this is going to lead us back into the park by the entrance to Icebreaker. If you come in from the outside entrance, this will be your first scare zone when you walk in. That is a really tall guy.
It's opening night. The scare zone is like really bad.
go. That was Frozen Terror. Now this is opening night of the event. I do understand they don't have a lot of scare actors yet, but you can definitely tell both scare zones and houses that they are very short-handed on scare actors.
It's okay.
But that's not gonna hurt us. We're still having a great time here. But we're gonna head over to Captain's Revenge now. All right, we're in line for Captain's Revenge. Last year I kept calling it Pirate's Revenge. It's Captain's Revenge. So yeah, we're gonna head on in here in just a minute. All right, so here we go. Heading into Captain's Revenge. Oh, watch your step down.
He was taking so long.
Ah, I found me booty again.
Oh shit! How you doing?
It's not safe in here.
Oh!
Get out!
Oh shit! I had the curtain come up.
I'd rank that about the same as last year. It was good. I like the skull. So this is Terror of the Depths. It's a little scare zone over here. Now last year this was a pirate themed scare zone and we totally forgot about it. We didn't even film it. But it's just a bunch of statues and stuff. Ooh. Creature of the Black Lagoon? I didn't know you were here. scare zone, but I like that. It's very different. They got like this, they got a mirror.
Oh, look, wait, guys, take a picture.
I can vlog in here. So it's a mirror, and then it's this character. Alright, so this is called Lost Souls Lounge, or Hideaway. Last Souls Hideaway. It's a $10 cover charge, but with media, and annual pass holders get it free this first weekend. The show's starting now, let's go check it out.
You were here to see Clyde and Seymour, but they're not here exactly. Actually, I did bring Clyde and Seymour. This is Clyde, bam, and that is Seymour. Yeah, look at those sea lions. Oh my gosh, now, like I said, I am Serpentina Amore, the dark deity of the deep, and I know you're feeling a lot of mixed emotions right now. Fear, admiration, curiosity, and lust. I can feel that lesbian energy right here. I know, I haven't done that since college, you poor thing. And it's alright, they're all very valid. You in the back? Oh, thank you for the applause, giving me the clap. So early in the night. Thank you. What? You want the little sea? I'm gonna throw it like a sea lion. Ready? Catch the fish. Catch the fish. Bam! There it is. And I know, sexy back there, I know what you're thinking. Serpentina, how could you have lived and ruled for thousands of years when you don't look a day over 30? 25, stop it. Stop it, the Botox is good, right? No, see people, I actually ruled as a monk. Good, because I'm a whole lot of woman. Thank you, Jacques. Isn't Jacques fabulous, everyone? Oh, back there. You know, actually, sir, years ago, Jacques was a sailor, much like you, and then one day he took a deep dive into my hideaway. He knows how to treat a goddess, I'll tell you that. Oh, that's why I've kept him around all these beautiful years. He really has become my favorite seaman. Guy with the glasses, you know what I'm talking about? I bet you do. Oh, Jacques, you know what? They've learned a lot about us. I think it's time to learn about these beautiful little sea morsels. Oh, thank you. Speaking of boys, I see another sexy bald man. Excuse me, size 2 coming through. Oh, you sexy bald man. Oh, gosh, let me just get in that Home Depot department. Oh, my God. Excuse me, let me just rest these things, they're so heavy. What is your name? Jonathan. Jonathan, where are you from? What sea?
My mother.
Your mother? Oh gosh, I didn't know your mother was a whole ocean. Wow. Oh my gosh, your mother. Okay, where are your mother and you from? What do you do for a living? Tell me all of that. Let's get the Grindr profile up. Let's see what's going on.
All the way from Kissimmee.
Kissimmee, exotic Kissimmee in the house, people. Yeah. Look at that. No one cares. No one likes Kissimmee. I understand. Oh, look at you giving me the whole shack tonight. Thank you for that. Oh my God. I want to know this sexy family right over here. Who are you, gorgeous? David, it's your birthday. Round of applause for David.
Yeah!
David, it's your birthday. I have to give you a little. Oh, you can see the rest of that on my OnlyFins, David. OnlyFins. That's right. Shamu got nothing on me. David, I know it's not polite to play with your food, but Mama's so hungry. I mean, look at me, that size 22 is just wasting away. So, thank you for the woo! Hold on, muscles, I gotta give you the whole size 22. Muscles, take it in, ba-bam, children! You don't see this at the Magic Kingdom, no you don't. Oh, my babies. Oh, what does that smell? What is that? Oh, it's you. You are ever so intoxicating. Oh, pump it up, DJ. Thank you for that blowjob. That was beautiful. Oh my gosh, Jacques, you smell that? They are so intoxicating. I am so hungry. I think I need a snack. Jacques, will you bring me my blood, Teeny? Who's drinking tonight? Anyone here drinking?
Yeah!
Oh, not you in the front, not that girl in the front who's tipsy at the bachelorette party. Oh my gosh, Jacques. Oh, thank you, Jacques. Everyone, glasses in the air. Let's do a toast. Glasses up.
It's empty.
Thank you so much. All right, it's not the lake. It's not the size. It's how often we make the ocean rise. Toss it back, oh, excuse me. Thank you, Jacques. Oh, that is so unladylike. Hold on, there we go. Okay, beautiful. Whew. Just been a while since I've had a snack. You know what I'm talking about, Jacques? I'm assuming you all have met the sea sirens across the lake, yes? No. Don't, I see you, don't you dare applaud for those barnacle bitches, no! Oh, no. Those unoriginal piles of seahorse shit can eat it, people! No, they come along and all my yummy,
This is like
yummy, lucky sailors go so for them. No, just because they're young and beautiful and they've taken a couple voice lessons, no. I mean, I'm still young-ish, and I'm still beautiful, right? I guess I just miss the way things used to be. Kidding, I'm not gonna make you listen to Cats. Not tonight, babies, not tonight. No. I am evil, I am not cruel. No, I just see those little sirens across the way. I see you. All right, blow on your little hot men and the flames and the ice. And oh, look at the budget we got, okay? Thank you so much. Now, before you all go back to the surface, I do hope you'll come up and get to meet me at a nice Robert deep level. Ever so deep. Maybe take a couple photos with Jacques and I. Round of applause for Jacques! Alright, now let's take some photos, people. Let's party the night away. And I do hope you'll come back and see me in the Hideaway of the Lost Souls! Ta-ta, everyone. Ta-ta.
Very strong. We're doing a selfie. I like selfies.
Oh yeah. Oh no, this is YouTube, baby.
Oh, it's a video.
It's a video.
Oh, come to my hideaway, everyone. My stuff is in the moray and the best muscles around. Ba-bam. Oh, that's worth the ticket right there.
Oh, definitely.
Thank you.
Thank you. This was such a drag.
You like it? It's the first of its kind.
And many more to come.
Oh, I hope so.
Had a blast.
Thank you.
All right, so we're back over at Blood Reckoning. This was the first house we did tonight. We loved it so much we wanted to do it again. And since it's indoor-outdoor, we want to do it in the complete darkness. So yeah, we might not film it because it's going to be so dark. So yeah, we're just going to enjoy this house and we'll let you know what it's like when we get out. All right, here we go, second time through. Like I said earlier, the first time we were in the daylight, now we're gonna go through in the absolute pitch black. Oh, and I sent the wife ahead of me this time.
Got lost.
Hello? Come. Hey, we're not quite open yet, but Hey, it's dinner time.
Ooh, I like dinner time.
You're a long way from
Are those flies or love bugs I hear? You walked away from me! Alright, so now before we head out, we're gonna get our photo with a siren here at Siren Encounter. And there's our siren. She's beautifully evil. This seems dangerous. Do I dare get a photo with her? Alright guys, it's super dark. It is a little after 11 o'clock. We are actually on our way out of the park. But yeah, we had a great time tonight. Awesome. I had a blast. It was awesome meeting all of our new friends and new subscribers. Brody, I hope your channel goes well, my friend. Yes. I hope you did some filming tonight, and I hope I find you, because I'm going to look for you on YouTube. So you guys have a great night. We'll see you in the next video. Bye. Bye. No.